Hello everyone and welcome back. MS Project has a lot of interesting features and one of them is the timeline. Now you may ask what is it? So let me just show you first and then we'll discuss how we can show it. We'll head over to the View tab, click on Timeline, and immediately you'll see that there appears a timeline bar right above the project plan. Now this bar actually helps you in specifying the overall timeline of the project. As you can see, the project is starting on 9th of May and finishing on December 7th. However, in between you see there's nothing there at the moment. So today we'll learn how to add items onto a timeline and how you can use it to display in your documents. So firstly, for example, I'll select a few milestones. Let's say I mark this as a milestone, which is already marked as a milestone since it's of 0 days duration. Then I'll head over to the General tab and I click or check the box which it says Display on Timeline. Watch what happens as soon as I do it. I'll select this check mark and click OK. Immediately you'll see a milestone marked with the task name and its date on the project plan. So what it does is basically it's showing the presence or the time frame when this milestone is being completed in the plan. So it's showing you a summary of the overall project plan along with the milestones. Let me mark this task as design completion as a milestone as well. It's displayed on timeline and there you have it. And I also mark this task as milestone and display it on timeline. You see as soon as I click the checkbox over there, it's displayed on the project timeline as an item of display. I'll select a couple of more and mark these as final milestone of the project. So you see the milestones are spread across in the timeline and you can use them as per your need. It's giving you a summary of the major milestones of the project and when they are being achieved. There's another thing that you can see that there's a timeline format over here, which you can use in selecting which kind of date format you want it to display. You can also toggle if you want some details to be shown or simply markation of milestones instead. So if you click on it, it will show the details as well. And if you want to label the bar, it will also do that for you. Let me just say this is my project milestone timeline. And it will show you the name over here. And also you can select how many lines you want to have in the text if you have longer task names. So there are a lot of stuff that you can do with this by editing it. And also there's an option of copying the timeline for email, for presentation, or for full size. Copy the timeline at the current size. So for email, if you copy it, it will copy the timeline and you just simply paste it in the email and use it. Similarly, you can use this timeline to present it into one of your slides, or you can simply copy the timeline with everything in it. So this was the short video for today covering the project timeline feature. I hope this will be helpful in summarizing and showing the summary of your project. So please do click the like button if it's helpful for you, and please subscribe to the channel. And bye bye.